Hydraulic bar stool disassembly, cap removal. Now that you've separated the hydraulic pole from the bar stool, we are going to remove this section. The black cap is actually wedged way down here, so take the Allen key that was provided with your bar stool and remove the 4 screws. Now that you've removed all 4 screws, remove the pole. With the pole removed, press down on the lever to expose the cap. As you can see, the black cap is wedged inside the pole. Take a screwdriver handle or a round object of your choice and place it directly on top of the black cap. With your rubber mallet, give the screwdriver handle a couple taps. Once you feel the cap has slid down, flip the screwdriver over and give it one more tap. As you can see, the black cap has been removed. There is nothing blocking the hole. Before and after.